Hey friends, welcome back. Now let's go and change our program in a way that we can use it in a better way. Okay, how? For example, I'm going to write Python and then MaxChanger.py. I want to specify the interface like -i or dash interface, and then ETH0, and then like -m is going to be MAC address. Okay, like this. So how can I do this? It is not very easy to do it, okay, because we need to specify this, that this program understand this, okay, or get this argument from here, not from inside the program. So it's very easy if we use a module called opt parse or opt parse. So let's use that, okay. I'm going to import that is opt parse, and I'm going to use it here, okay. So first we need to create its object. Let's name it parser. It is equal to opt parse dot opt parse parser. Let's remove this and write it from the beginning. It is is option parser. So it is a function, okay? Not a function, is a class, because it starts with capital letter. Anything that starts with capital letter, just remember that is a class, and it has a lot of child and a lot of methods, function that we can use it, okay? So here we have this parser right now, which is an object. It has other function like add option, like a lot of things that we can use it, okay? So here let's use it. I'm going to say parser dot add option. Add option is a method, okay, that here we can use it, okay. So here I'm going to give -i. Why -i? That means interface. If someone gives provide -i, the program should understand that it is an interface, or the user could enter interface, okay. So this both is going to be, this is equal to interface, okay. If someone write -i or -interface, that means it is going to be interface, okay. So it will get this interface from output, and then, or we can write a help here, okay. Help is equal to let's say interface to change it MAC. Interface to change its MAC address. Now let me save this, and here I'm going to use parser dot parse autos. Okay, now I call it, and I'm going to execute it, okay. Let's come right in here. Okay, we have it. So we have MaxChanger, and now let's specify -i, and this interface is going to be ETH0, okay, ETH0, or let's go with -help, -help. Let's hit enter. Now you see that I have an error here, and it is say option parse object has no attribute parse args, okay. And that is my problem. Okay, here we have a misspelling, I think. Okay, it is not ARGE, it is ARGS. That was my mistake, sorry. Let's execute this again, and here now you see that it gives you options, -h or -help, show this help message, and exit. So see, we have -i, which is equal to interface, and also it says that interface to change its MAC address, okay. And it is saying that if you use -i with this, it will change the interface, and also that help, that is a text that we write, okay. interface to change its MAC address. It is the text that we just write here. Okay, write it down here. So now you'll learn, okay, slowly, that how can we get argument from user from output, so from terminal. Okay, so now let's go and see how we can get all and everything, which was interface and also new MAC address, and how we can use it down here to interact. Let's go and see that.